Hello friends, thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will share how to make delicious stir-fry prawn with tauchu paste. Hope you like it. Prawn is delicious with rich tauchu tastes. This dish is a must-try for your family. Follow my channel and save this recipes now so you can refer this recipe anytime you like in the future. Stir-fry prawn with tauchu paste. Ingredients: prawns, tauchu paste, chili, chopped garlic, ginger, fine chopped ginger, diced chili, now let's prepare prawns. Cut the middle of the prawn shell to remove the prawn intestines. Optional to cut off prawn's legs. Wash prawns and place into bowl ready for marinating. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon Shaoxing wine, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon cornstarch. Marinate for 30 minutes. Stir-fry chili and chopped ginger until fragrant. Add 1 teaspoon chopped garlic. One tablespoon tauchu paste and stir-fry.
Smells so good.
Add prawns. Stir-fry until prawn turned into orange red and it's cooked. Optional to add 1 tablespoon water if too dry. Add a teaspoon of sugar before serving and fry for a while. Plate prawns into plate. Let's eat. So delicious. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day. Right. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.